Rog here. Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a really delicious meal. It's chicken and chickpeas in a wonderful creamy sauce. Now, while you're watching this, before you watch it and after you watch it, don't forget, hit that little button down there and subscribe to my channel. Just down there, can you see it? Just give it a push, ding the bell, and we're away. You'll see all my future videos. Okay, without further ado, let's move on. So these are the ingredients that we're going to be using. We'll start off, I'll show you olive oil. Well, that's exciting, isn't it? But we're going to need some. And chopped onion, potatoes. I've got 3 here. I'm going to take the skins off and then cube them. I've got 2 rashers of bacon. You can use just ordinary bacon or you can have smoked bacon, it's up to you. This is our leftover chicken that I'm going to be using. I've got the white meat from the breast here, and this is a sort of a darker meat from other places that we've got there. We're going to need some chicken stock, got that, some garlic powder, some cayenne or chili powder, some cumin, one of my all-time favourites, that's mixed herbs, and also we're going to need a tin of chickpeas. I might actually leave some of the juice in there to make it a bit more liquid, a bit more tasty. So off we go with the onions. I'm going to coarsely chop these into chunks rather than finely cut them into little bits. So there they are, cut them like that. Peel our potatoes. Sometimes I don't, but these ones look a little bit on the grubby side, so I'll take the skin off. And I want to cut these into sort of squares, little cubes if you like. Reasonably small, just like that. Then I'm going to cut the bacon. Can't cut this into cubes, obviously it's too thin, but you know, do the best I can and get it about the same size as everything else. About like that, that's good enough. Then onto the hob with a pan, nice and shiny at the moment. Drop of olive oil or cooking oil. Then in we go with the onions. Now what we want to do is cook these down until they're quite soft, bordering on going a bit brown I suppose. The longer you cook them, the sweeter they taste. Then in with the chopped up bacon. We want to render this down, get some of the fat to mix in with the juices from the onion and the oil. Then we can go in with our potato chunks. Now I'm going to try it as best as I can to get a little bit of brownness on here, a little bit of caramelisation. That always adds to the taste of any bit. There we go, starting to get a little bit brown now. Then we can go in with our flavourings. Now I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of this garlic powder. Spread this over. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. Spread this over as well, as evenly as possible. Then mixed herbs. Now you can do this to your own taste really. For this amount of food I'm going to pop in 2 heaped teaspoons. Sprinkle that around. Now be careful with your chilli, you might like it hot, you might not. I'm just going to use, I don't know, 1/4 teaspoon. Pop that in. Then we're going to add some stock. Mix this in. It's catching a little bit on the bottom, but not to worry about that. That'll scrape off and that will all add to the flavour. In with our chickpeas along with some of the juice. Mix this in. Then we can go in with our chicken. Now remember, this is pre-cooked, it's been cooked before, it's our leftover chicken from Sunday lunch. In that goes. Basically this is just got to get the flavour of everything that's going on there in that pan. I'll tell you, it's magical. On with the lid, cook this down for about 20 minutes and this is what you've got. A pan full of flavour, and I can't wait to have a taste. Well, really, that tastes so good, so creamy, so garlicky. I love garlic. Thank you guys so much for watching this latest video of mine. Hope you've thoroughly enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you all again next time. Stay safe out there. Bye.